Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the newly released collection by the Fairy Tale Club. You guys, it's adorable and I think you guys are going to love this. It's perfect for summer. You guys, I don't know if you know, but I do design for them. And I wanted to show you what the kit includes. It's super cute and you guys, I'm loving the name. You know, all the new rave is Kiki, do you love me? And the name of the kit is TIKI, I love you. And I thought that was adorable and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's take everything out of the kit so we can get on with this. I am loving this kit and I cannot wait to create some projects with this and share them with you guys. So let's put this aside and start off with the paper. So you get a vellum sheet, and this one is called Welcome to Tiki Land. And it's these cute little like tropical flowers. I love it. And then here is the paper. So the first one is called On the Go, and it's a cut apart sheet. And this is what the cut apart looks like. You guys, look at that flamingo. Look at the mermaid. I want to go where the mermaids are. Yes, please. Aloha. And that's what it's called. On the Go. And this is the opposite side. So you get like a print and then you have your cut aparts on one side. The next cut apart sheet is also adorable. You get mermaids have more fun, love, hello with that beautiful beach scenery. And then you get these little 2x2s. So this one says like sun, happy, relax, yum, fun, and hello. And then there's this one right here, which is my favorite. Like these little things right here. It looks like a big ticket. I love this. I want to be a mermaid. The little parakeet. Look at his colors, you guys, so cute. Look at this one, like the hotel key. That looks so cute. Look at the little tags you get. This one says hi, the mermaid. This one says adventure. And then there's these on the bottom. And I'm not sure if I said what it's called, but this one is called Tropical Adventure. And the opposite side is kind of like seashells. So that's that one. Then we have those super cute little parakeets all over this page. And this one is called, this is actually called Tiki, I Love You. Look at that. That looks like so 70-ish, right? Is that even a word? Like from the 70s? Like wallpaper? I'm loving this paper. I'm loving the whole collection. The flamingos, how cute, with a little crown. Let me get this side. Love the patterns. This one is called The Pink of Perfection. And I think it was released early this week. We got all these little palm trees. You guys see that? This one is called Castaway Key. And these are good quality. Like you can hear, they're super sturdy, good quality. I love her paper. Very sturdy. By the Beautiful Sea. And obviously it's like a beach scene. I wish I was there right now. Look at that. Then we have this pattern. This one is called Aloha. And then the opposite side is like the words. So it's like Aloha repeated in this beautiful font. And then the last, no, not the last paper. There's this one. This one is called In Summer. That's what this side looks like. I love how well the colors go together. And then the last one is the Little Mermaid. And this one is called Mermaids Have More Fun. And that's the opposite side. So that's all the paper that you get in the kit. And then of course you get some flare buttons. This cute little mermaid one, a starfish. This one says sun, the little sunshades, happy, and a seashell. They also have like the B6 size cards. So there's this one. It's almost like the papers. You guys, look at this one. These are perfect for planners. That's the opposite side. I love this one. The mermaid. This would be cute to do like a shadow box. Beach. What is it? Beach going this way. I don't know if I read that wrong, but because yeah, it doesn't make sense if it says beach going this way. You guys know what I mean. Mermaids have more fun. That cute little hotel key. Adventure can happen at any time and in any place. It is your own. And wait, let's start over. Lily can't read right now. Adventure can happen at any time and in any place. It is your own imagination which creates wonder and possibility. Much better, Lily. Much better. Ooh, I like these stripes. You are by far the greatest adventure of them all. Look at the cute flamingo, you guys. Here, crown, have crown, will travel. Have crown, will travel. I think I read that right. I can't read today, you guys. Polka dots. Oh, you guys know I love me some polka dots. And it goes so perfect with that. I love that. I love that choice. Beautiful. There's a butterfly and it says hello. And some more stripes. I love stripes. I love polka dots. We got the little palm tree. This is another fave. Hello, lovely day. And there's that one. And then you guys, you get the same, like the same ones. I have them in a smaller size for like a more smaller. But I'm not going to show you guys these because it's the same, kind of like the same thing, but just in smaller version. Then we have, of course, the Ephemera Pack. And these are all the goodies that you get. You guys, these are so cute. We should totally look at it. Or at least some of the pieces. Because there's a bunch here. Oh, she actually made the little hotel key. I love that. Love it. Ooh. Ah, they're all falling everywhere. This little pineapple that says happy. The little mermaid. Which one is this one? A watermelon. I'm loving the colors. A little ice cream. What's this? Like the little suitcases. The palm tree. Tiki, I love you. Some shades. We put them down here. Then we have these little fellas. We have these little guys right here. A little drink, a little arrow that says this way. Some more of these little like seaweeds. More drinks. Banana leaves, hearts. The sun. Fun in the sun. Some more little hearts. Cute little banana that says hello. Some more sunshades. Have this one right here. These cute little circles with little, this one says mermaids have more fun. We get butterflies, seashells, a little camera. So many, you guys. The flamingo, a drink, banana leaves, and good quality. I can't speak. A butterfly, the little tropical flower. What is this flower called? A little butterfly. These cute like little Polaroids. Love those. You get like a few of those. Super cute. Cute little banners. They're like all stuck together. Summer, beach, and this one says happy. Then we have those cute little tickets. Then there's these two. And then here are the tickets. These are like my fave. I might have to hoard these. Just kidding. This one says relax. So that's the ephemera pack, you guys. Then there's the die cut words ephemera pack, and you get all these words. You get the greatest, adventure, I love you, fun, everyday, beach, relax, fairy tale, vacation, create, imagination, wonder, sun, summer, happy, high, love, mermaids, aloha, let's, hello, lovely day, life, and go you. So you can make a bunch of little phrases in your projects. I love how they're black and white. Excited about these. And last but not least are the stickers, and look how cute, you guys. I love it. You get 26 pieces. And yeah, you guys, this is the Tiki I Love You collection. You guys should definitely go check it out. It is super cute, and if you guys are still working on summer projects, this can be your theme. So let me know down below if you guys like this collection. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick it up. Just say hi. If you're not gonna let me know either one, just say hello. And thank you guys so much for entering. I've been receiving so many entries. I'll leave my link down below for the giveaway that I'm currently hosting. I will be posting on Saturday a video letting you guys know the prizes for all 3 winners. I am super excited. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.